Hello students, welcome to our next chapter, that is chapter number 4, mirror and water images. So in this chapter we will learn about mirror and water images and how they form from the different shape. Okay, so let's check here. Let I tell you what are the mirror images. For example, this is our mirror. Okay, this is a mirror. Okay, and one object is placed at the left side. Okay, this is the object, okay, and we will make the image of this object, okay, with the help of this mirror. So this is the left part of this object and this is the right portion or right part of the object. Okay, so what happens in the mirror image, the right part will become the left part. Okay, the right part of an object will become the left part of an image. Okay, like this. Okay, this is the right part, it has become the left part in the image, and the left part of the object will become the right part of the image. So this is called the lateral inversion. So in the mirror image we get a laterally inverted image. Okay, so understood. Now learning about the water image. So let us see, this is the water level. Okay, this is the water level, and if I will make any object like this, again this is a triangle and this is a circle. So this is the top part. Okay, this is the top part, or this is the bottom part. Okay, now what happens in the water image, the bottom section or bottom part of the image will become the top part and the top portion will become the bottom portion in the water image. This is the water image, this is the water image, and this is the object. Okay, understood. This has become the top and this has become the bottom. So let's take some of the question and understand it better. Okay, so coming to the question number 1, we have question is the find the mirror image of each of the following figure. So here this is the figure X and we have to find which is the mirror image. Now as you can see here, the mirror image of this 2, the mirror image of this 2 will be like this. Yes, will be like, yes, will be like this. Yes, we got here. Yes, we have got here. The mirror image of this 4 will be like this. Okay, it is here. Similarly, mirror image of 3 is here and the mirror image of this 1 is here, and the middle portion is also becoming here. Okay, so we can say that the correct answer for this question is option number B. This is the mirror image of this figure. This is the mirror image. Okay, now moving further to question number 2. In this question it is very simple. Here only the portion here which is down, which is the mouth or lips we can say, is mirror imaged and the rest of the portion is as it is. Okay, this much portion is as it is. Okay, this much is as it is and this much is mirror imaged, so it will be like this. Yes, and the correct answer for this question will be option number A. Yes, this is the correct answer. Okay, now moving further to question number 4. This is the, we have to find the mirror image of this word, that is reason. Okay, we have reasons, that is reasoning. What we learn in the VMAT, only reasoning. Okay, verbal and non-verbal reasoning. So let I tell you, the n will be like this. Okay, n will be like this, and the O will be as it is, S will be like this, A will be like this, E will be like this, and R will be like this. So this kind of word which is mirror imaged is only in the option, you can check option D. Thus D is the correct answer. Now let us take some different kind of question, that is of question number 6. Okay, now this question has the word, letters and numbers also, so it is mixed one. So you can check here, the S is option, let us check from the option. The option S is correct, mirror image. 5 is okay, 5 is also correct. N is also correct. Then 2 is also correct. B is also correct, yes, B is also correct. 1 is not correct. Okay, so we cannot take this option A. Okay, so till B, from S to B the letters are same, or the mirror image are same, and 1 is the mirror image here, correct. Okay, and E is also correct, so correct option will be option number B. Okay, try to imagine, because without imagination you cannot be able to solve this mirror image and water image. Okay, now coming to the next question, that is question number 7. Here this we have to, this is the figure, this is the object, and we have to make the mirror image of this object along this MN mirror. This is mirror placed here. Now how we will make this, Z will become like this. Okay, and this circle will be here, and this circle will be here, and this arrow will be down. Okay, so where you are getting this kind of figure, in the option B. Okay, so correct answer will be option number B. Now moving further, this is very simple again. This is mirror placed here like this. This is 7 is to 25. So 7 will be like this. Okay, laterally inverted, and 2 will be like this, and 5 will be like this. Okay, this. So the correct option for the option question number 8 is option A. Now moving further, coming to water images question. Okay, taking the question number 15. Okay, now you can check, you can see here, this is the top portion, this is till here, this is the top portion, and this is the bottom portion of this figure in the question number 15. And in each of the elements of this figure, this element, all this element is having its own top and its own bottom. Okay, so it will be water imaged accordingly. For example, if a triangle is here, so the water image of triangle will be like this. Okay, if the circle with shaded upside, okay, so the water image will be like this. Okay, so if you will try to solve, you will get the correct answer of this question. As you can see here, it will be, this triangle is down, now this triangle will be up here, and this circle will become like this, and this triangle will become like this, and this circle will become like this. So similarly the upper portion will become like this. Okay, and the correct option for the question number 15 is option number B. Now moving further, now you can try by yourself. Let's try question number 16. This is a kind of swastik shape, and we have this different color arrows. Okay, if you will make the water image of this portion, this image, this figure, if you will make the water image of this figure, you will get as the option A. Okay, this is the top portion, this has become bottom. Okay, this is the bottom portion, this has become the top one. Okay, Now the correct answer for this question will be option number A. Now moving further, these are some kind of same questions. Okay. Now coming to the question number 21. Select the correct mirror image of a given combination of letters and numbers if the mirror is placed vertically to the left. So if the mirror is placed vertically to the left of this, so how we will make the mirror image? Vertically to the left. If we are placing it to the left, means vertically to the left means here. Okay, mirror is placed here. This is the mirror. Now we have to make the mirror image. So how we will make? The K will be like this, I will be as it is, D will be like this. In the same manner, 2 will be like this. 5 will be like this. Okay, 5 will be like this. Okay, and 7 will be like this. In the same way, the rest of the word will become, and the correct answer for this question will be option A. Okay.